everyone, welcome to my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing the most nostalgia recipe. When on my childhood I eat a lot. In my front of my house there was a tree and this Nellipulli was falling all over, nobody wants. But after 20-25 years we have to pay for this one to eat. That's what it's a changes made. I eat a lot, so I want to share that recipe. It's very simple, just a side dish. So watch the video. First, wash the Nellipulli and make it dry. Then crush. Transfer to a bowl. Get shallots. Do the same process. Crush. Crush it again. Add to the same bowl. Mix well. Get the green chilies to get some spice. Then crush. Add to the same bowl. Add some salt. Mix well. Add some coconut oil and give a nice mix. Move on to the second style. What we made early. To the same bowl, add some crushed chilies. Mix well and enjoy.
The real Naran taste.
We must try this.